Ka Directorate of Health Services Meghalaya Shillong ka khot admission nakbata usnem arjar arpsau bapin pule hapo ka Meghalaya Paramedical Studies ka bahap hapo ka state kota kata kikus kilong kum ka B Pharmacy, D Pharmacy, BSc MLT, BSc Radio Imaging and Cardiac Instrumentation, bat ka BSc Ophthalmic, bat ya ki application forms and pediang hadu ka shitarik bunai July arjar opsau kata hadu san baje janmiet. Hangning nyepet ya ka number of seat not specified lani ampala ban pentikana nagaliang jong ka government ka course hangne kumbangala de pule B Pharmacy, D Pharmacy, BSc MLT, BSc Radio Imaging and Cardiac Instrumentation, and BSc Ophthalmic. Nagbanta ka age limit pade lapdiang ye ki candidates kiba khanyaw snem shajrong kata kibala dap hadu ka laipui tarik ubanai December ajar opsau. Nagbanta ka essential qualification pade ipan ye gitu kibala pandep ya ka 10+2 kata de ben shimru ye kinegi subject ha ka class 10+2 kata kum ka physics, chemistry, biology and English. But kumjuru nagbanta ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nagbanta ka course B Pharmacy but ka D Pharmacy ki hab ban shim ya ka subject mathematics ha ka class 10+2. But kumjuru lakarpat ya ki candidates bikin sobha lada pikwa ban apply nagbanta ki course pide ban yo ya ka sau percentage kata ha ka subject physics, chemistry and biology. But nagaliang jong ka government kala ailat ru tang ya kitrai state kibadei hi na po state Meghalaya. Kinu ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply ban ule yite ki course ki ba pher hapo ka state kota baphin subha ban late ban apply online lungba ka official website jong ka Meghalaya Health Services kata nadu arpa tarik ubnai June hadu shitarik ubnai July after opsau hadu san baje janmit. Hangning nya page kumno banjit ya ki candidates lane ya ki applicants ban late ban pule nagda gite ki course hapo ka state kota ya ka tarik ban le ya ka screening and sapan bana khamadin bat kumjuru nagbanta banjit ya ki candidates long ba kin page kat kum ka jingla bat ka jingbha jong ka percentage ka jong pi hapo ka 10+2 examination bat kumjuru kat kum ka reservation policy jong ka state Meghalaya ya ki list jong ki selected candidates lane ki candidates ki balai shajit and sa penmi hapo ka notice board jong ka Directorate of Health Services Meghalaya Shillong bat kumjuru jong ka District Medical and Health Officer Tura West Garuhil but kumjuru and sa penmi hapo ka government website jong ka health services kabadei jong ka Shillong bat Tura. Jela kerpadru ya ki candidates ki balai shajit ha nagbanta ban lek pule ya kite ki course ki bapher hadin bapila adep ban shajit bapin subha ban lek ban report daladehi hapo ka office jong u deputy secretary lane under secretary to the government of Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Department room number Sanspa Andrew additional secretariat buildings bapinyo ya ka nomination letter bat kumjuru bat kuei kijing batai hakbaya dei bapin le ban pule nagta kite kus Henry lada don ki candidates ki bom shemlala ban le ban report daladehi hakbaya dei bat kijing shajit kijungki long ba kinduno ya kata ka hok bakin shajit Henry kinjit no de kuei pade ki candidates ki badei lani kibadon hapo ka waiting list. Tikumta nagaliang jongga government kampala ban garanti na kabanta kakam hadin bapila dep ban pule ye kite kikus handrei ka shong kat kum ka jinglai jongki kam bat kan sathep ya phi hadin bapila dep ban pule ha kabayade ban kakam kaba phi pitrei te tangkum tahi ngakarmen ba philaya suthu barok khoi te shim yakani ka kabu late ban apply no daladehi haswa ban kut katei ka tarik te ngakarparu lada don nabdeng ki viewers ki badang thamai ngakarpat ret yapi bapin ya share like but subscribe nakabata ka channel ke jonga nakabata ki new information but ki new updates ditangkom tahi khublei shibun